This is Jace Forex and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about one another important and helpful indicator that goes by the name Parabolic SAR. So as usual, no wasting of time. We go directly. The two bars. We find it, we click it. Then ASAP. We find it. Parabolic SAR. I'm using D for setting. So we just put it in there, like that. You see me? It's done. It's done, right? So parabolic SAR means parabolic stop and reverse, and it was developed by a well-known trader, was Wida. We have talked about it. I've talked about him in my previous videos. He's a powerful. He's a very good analyst. This parabolic SAR is an indicator that signifies where to exist trade. Okay, if you are buying here, if you bought here after this suggestion, let me show you guys with. If you bought here after this suggestion, you should have closed the trade here when you see two or three dots from three dots. Okay, this dot is different. If you have bought here, you should have closed your trade around here. This three dots. You see it? This three dots that shows that shows that the market is about to reverse, and right now the market is in the form of in the form of box, so it is waiting to break out either uptrend or downtrend, but likely our parabolic SAR, which is here, is showing us that the market might reverse to downtrend. This is what a parabolic SAR signifies. It gives us signals where to exist our trade, and the fact that entry is just as important as exit point, because you can earn a lot of pips with good entry strategy, but lose all those pips because of poor exit strategy due to the market reversing on you. So it is important to know good point to enter your trade, and it's also important to know good points at where you should come out of the trade, because you might get a lot of pips and make a lot of more money, but if you don't come out of the trade, then you are losing all this money. So it is important to always parabolic SAR is always below candlestick when the price is moving upward. So it is always below the candlesticks when it is moving upward. Then it is above the candlestick when it is moving downward. So that's why I say that this market might start to reverse downtrend. That you can see it reverse downtrend before pulling up. So this is what parabolic SAR is used for. And assuming that you are buying a currency pair at this point, and two pair of parabolic SAR appears below the candlestick, and after a while about two parabolic SAR appears above the candlestick, it indicates a change in direction might be have occurred, and it might be the right time to exit your trade. Like you were buying here, you were actually in a bot, you are buying here. Okay, now there are three parabolic SAR dots above these candlesticks. Okay, it is above them. So a wise trader will say, okay, now the market might want to reverse on me, taking the profit I have made since how many hours or days. That if you're a swing trader, anyone you are, so if you're a swing trader, you should actually bought at this place, then you can actually hold this trade for long. Like this is a daily time frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 2 or 3 weeks, you could have bagged a lot of pips from this if you're a swing trader. So right now, as a swing trader now, you have seen that since how many weeks the market has been going up. This parabolic SAR has been going up, has been going up. Always been it has been below the candlestick for weeks now. Now you have seen three dots. Three dots starts to appear here for 3 days. Okay, it starts to appear here. As a wise trader, this is the best time for you to close your trade uptrend. Close this trend, this money, deep use that you have back since how many weeks. It's time for you to close them because you have seen these parabolic SAR dots. Then wait to see the next action that the market will give you since it's trading in a box. That is what wise traders will always do. And in reverse, imagine if you are selling. In reverse, if we are selling, like the market was selling here, the market was selling here because the parabolic SAR was above it. So this indecision candle, dodgy, we can see dodgy right here. It was selling. This is dodgy indecision candle. It was selling. So this parabolic SAR was above it, and we've seen that this candlesticks, this parabolic dot is now below it. So it's time to close this thread, this selling thread, and wait for where the market will head, either uptrend. So this helps wise traders to know what they're doing, when to exist. After getting a nice entry, into the market, then they have gained a lot of pips. This parabolic sign will give them signals on where to exit the trade so that they will not lose all those money that they have gained. And it signifies that there might be a change in direction of the market. This is how to use the parabolic SAR to exit trade in the right position. So guys, if you find this video helpful for you, like and subscribe and share it to your friends because I'll be dropping more and more helpful content and powerful indicators that can help you in your trading career, in your trading. So the only thing that will help you is to obey the rules. Obey it. Do not say, I know this. No, you are not more than the market. You are not bigger than the market. You are just a retailer. We all are retail traders. You are just a retail trader in this. There are big boys in this game. In this forex trading. Forex trading is a business. Okay, there are bigger boys like the bank and the federal government and big institution trading. So always obey the rules of the indicators to help you trade wisely. Trade wisely, be safe, like and subscribe and share to your friends, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.